Shubor nakaslem jong udongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba ke Jela hadian balawai ke jingyalang ke Menteri Sorkar mentah kesengi ke arpau tarik unok pra hajar arpau ulakran bakilat pathai khubor hak bayade ke jingde ekandu ke SU bat kidukhat ke dorbar snong mukro hinin kesengi banlet bin sngo sho ya ke jingtai biang ke Sorkar Assam ya ke ying jong ketanat khlau hamukro hak ba ukhlam shem lala men ekandu eki Habakran halor katay Conrad ulaong baka Sorkar Jela kan sa siyem ya katay kamat balira sa Menteri Rangba ka Jela Assam hakabayade baka jingtay biyang ya kayeng jong tanat klaw ka Sorkar Assam hamukro ulaong ru ba anom sya bat Ailad Kiwei ki Sorkar bantam Shapoh uput usam jong ka Meghalaya Conrad ulaong ru baka jingpet binya halor ka mukro kadang yat sakman bat ka Sorkar ru kan ay ka jingpen sitam la dadon kamban le Shu Conrad ulai thu ru baula dep anya kren ba Menteri Rangba Sorkar Assam Himanta Biswa Sarma hakini ki khandiat sngi bat ka jing kren kadang yat sakman hakisi ki banwan ru kumju
See, I don't want to comment whether it's local politics or whether it's the Karbala District Council, but whatever factors and situations that lead to this, if proper communication and coordination is done with all the agencies, I'm sure that we'll be able to completely eliminate or at least we'll be able to minimize these kind of incidents that do take place. And yes, we will ensure that all kind of communications that needs to be done to any of the agencies or organizations that are there, we will ensure that from the highest level it is done from both sides. Anything within the jurisdiction of Meghalaya, if this is being done by anybody, any other government or any other autonomous body, that will not be allowed if it is done within the jurisdiction of Meghalaya.
That's very much within the jurisdiction.
Yeah, so they definitely will take up the matter. So this will not be allowed.
So what is the status of border outposts?
The border has been sanctioned now, and all the people have been sent. In fact, in Mokro already the 20 people who were 30 people were posted. A platoon was posted there, and now that has been regularized. So which means now it's a permanent post. Earlier, whenever the border outpost was set up, it was as a decision at the department level, which means that people were transferred from one location to another location without actually creating sanctioned post. So the last cabinet decision we decided on this has actually sanctioned it, and those posts are now there for people to be appointed, and the ones who have been sent to Mukro are now regularized in Mukro. Outpost is in Boroto. The border outpost is in Mukro.